Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can enable dark mode in TikTok app. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. So, let's get started with you and me, and open the TikTok app on your device. Next, go to your profile at the bottom. And then tap on the top right corner on the three bars. Next is Settings and Privacy. And when you get to Settings, scroll down a little bit. Find the Display section. And this is where you can switch to dark mode. To do that, you'll just need to click underneath it. As you can see, it will automatically switch to dark mode. You can also enable this one, activate the function that is responsible for synchronizing the TikTok display settings with the display settings on your phone. And if you have light mode enabled on your phone, then the TikTok will be light as well. If it's dark, then TikTok will be in dark mode. Friends, in this simple way you can easily enable dark mode in TikTok app. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.